Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
working as a government employee, and yes, I did MBA before joining the
Nice.
organization. So, and I was doing trading
Okay, sir.
without any knowledge. It's like whatever that is coming, whatever I was getting from the TV and from the newspapers on the base of that.
Raghu, and I'm working in Singapore right now, and yeah, I'm working for an American company, and I'm here for quite some time, and I've been monitoring stocks for some while, but recently only I started to actively trade, and that's the reason I wanted to join some classes, and that's when it happened. I came across Stock-Wani and Navodit sir, and
Central government office there.
Yes, sir.
2 years back,
Okay, sir.
I was working in Department of Telecom.
Shan Mandani, and my age is 20 years old. And I'm a student, and right now I'm I have dropped from my college right now in
the
COVID-19.
session was very
Yes, sir.
And
very nice. Like it starts from the basics. They started from the complete scratch, and at the same time it was very detailed as well. So once they start with like the candlesticks and all the details of it, and they go to the next level in the patterns, the candlestick patterns, and then further move on to like how to combine all these patterns into with other indicators, and then how you make your trading decisions based upon that. So it starts you from a zero and makes you to reach at a very high levels, so that you can make your own trade
I
independently.
learned a lot many things which I didn't know about it, and now I have a new perspective towards the market. Now I could understand what is happening
Great.
because
sir.
after getting this technical analysis knowledge,
Yes, sir.
so now I can see that whether should I enter into the trade or should avoid the trade, and also when to get out of the trade. So that is also important. So that I learned.
Okay,
And
sir.
what's happening, that I also know, that I now came to know, now understand what is happening. So this is also, so now I can pick the right time to enter and time to exit.
Yes, sir.
So this is what I learned. That's very important.
sir, सबसे पहले तो I would like to thank you, Navodit sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he was so responsive, so what to say, समझाने में इतना अच्छे थे, एंड सबसे अच्छा लगता था कि जो भी डाउट सेशन रहता था उसको अच्छे से बताते थे और सपोर्टिव बहुत थे.
Yes, sir.
डेफिनेटली ही वाज वेरी ग्रेट, एंड यस सपोर्टिव तो बहुत थे, स्टार्टिंग से सपोर्टिव थे. एंड सबसे अच्छा लगता था कि कुछ भी अगर कि हम गलतियां तो सबसे होती है एट द एंड
Yes,
में.
sir.
यस सर, तो उसमें ना उसमें मोटिवेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि नहीं ठीक है तुम अच्छा कर रहे हो तो उसको तुम और अच्छा कर सकते हो. तो पॉइंट है मोटिवेशन सपोर्टिव बहुत अच्छे थे सर इन सब चीज़ों में. तो यस
It was very
आई वुड
good.
लाइक टू थैंक नाउदिस सर.
He was very considerate because because I'm retired, I was just entirely new to this market. So he was very helpful.
Yes, sir.
He took a lot of pain
Okay.
to tell me about, to explain everything.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. जैसे आपके यहाँ नेटवर्क नहीं है तब
नहीं सर सर सर
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
नहीं सर नहीं तो क्योंकि सर ने मुझे सर मेरे लिए बहुत किया है सर.
जी सर. जी.
वो सिर्फ मुझे मालूम है सर ने मेरे लिए किया. और सर ने सर है ना कैसे रहता सर, हर एक को पैसे कमाने की चाह रही थी सर, लेकिन कैसे कमाया जाए उसके लिए प्रॉपर गाइडेंस अच्छा चाहिए होता है.
यस सर.
मैंने सर आज तक बहुत देखे सर, वीडियो देखे, लेकिन हर एक को कोई आपने ऐड करता है, लेकिन प्रॉपर तरीके सर कोई बताता नहीं सर. जब उनका क्लास खत्म हो जाता है सर, तो उस टाइम के बाद से वो कभी ना फोन उठाते और ना कभी किसी भी व्हाट्सएप मैसेज का रिप्लाई देते। लेकिन नवोदित सर ऐसे सर, तुम कभी भी उनको कॉल करो, कभी भी मैसेज करो, वो तुमको कभी भी नहीं भूलेंगे, तुमको हमेशा ही मैं रिप्लाई देंगे। भले और रिप्लाई देने थोड़ी देरी होगी क्योंकि वो बहुत बिजी रहते, फिर भी सर वो पर्सनली रिप्लाई करते, ये हमारे लिए सर बहुत बड़ी बात है।
थैंक यू सर।
और आशा करता हूँ कि सर मुझे सर मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है सर, मैंने उनको बहुत बार बताया भी है, क्योंकि सर वो आदमी बहुत रॉयल है सर। तो मैंने उनको बताया कि मैं एक दिन सर ऐसा है सर, हम साथ में बैठ के सर ट्रेडिंग करेंगे, या एक दिन क्यों है ना, लेकिन आप ट्रेडिंग करेंगे साथ में बैठ के।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल नवोदित सर, बिल्कुल करेंगे। एक बार सर आपको कॉल करके एकदम बोलना चाहिए, आपके पास आके वो करेंगे। Technical analysis course, have you got attention even after the classes?
Have you got?
Have you got attention like whenever you call Navodit sir, or like
every time, even now, even
Yes.
after I had classes nearly 15 months back. So even now, if there is any issue, if I talk to him, he picks my call,
yes
he
sir,
clarifies the doubts,
yes sir.
and even now I'm getting the support. So that's
Great,
good. That
great.
it's not like that your college session, your classes are over now. You are you're on your own. It's
Yes,
not like
sir.
that. Even now, if I call him, if I want any kind of support, if I want any kind of help, he's there. He's always there. He's call him.
I troubled him. I know I have troubled him many times, and he was very, very helpful in clearing my doubts.
Yes sir.
And
another thing was that
he gave all the help.
it was online, so it was very comfortable doing it from the comfort of your home.
Yes,
You
sir.
don't have to travel anywhere and all that. That's one good thing as well. Yeah, coming to the support, yes, support was very good as well. Like the doubts were whatever we had, we used to have chats in our WhatsApp group and all. So whatever doubts, even not during the class times, even sometimes during our trading times as well, when the active trading sessions are going on, if we ask some doubts, Navodit sir would immediately clarify that. Even for views on any particular stocks, he will look into it and come back with a suggestion immediately. And even one good thing was even he asked us to he would give us homeworks and all. So like to find chart patterns somewhere in random stocks and all, he would ask us to find those patterns somewhere and come up post that in our WhatsApp, so everybody so he will know that we are actively working in the background also, studying what he has taught.
I think the session has helped in the changing your view about market, that it's not a gambling everything, like everything is justified in charts, and charts means everything.
Yes, it is true. Like gambling, or it's everybody says that market is a risk. A simple analogy is like you drive a car or a bike. Driving that is also a risk, or you are gambling with your life, or gambling with the life of others and all.
Yes.
If you don't know how to ride a car and you just take it on the road, but you don't do that, right? You learn step by step how to drive a car, or how to then only you take it out in the streets, in the main roads and all. So similarly, you cannot just jump into the stock markets. You have to go step by step. You have to learn everything, and when you learn all these step by steps, the basics of it, then you are much more confident in the market, actual market. And also it happens like when I buy something, right? Say I buy a stock at a certain value, say for example 320 rupees. My father is there, he says, oh, why haven't you buy when the price was at 300? Why did you buy it at 320? It's at a much higher level. But the difference is, yeah, there might be a support and resistance or some other factors. That's why you don't buy it at that point of time, even it is at a lower cost. So once you know, okay, it has reached certain level, then you can be comfortable at buying at that level, and that would be a better trade as compared to buying at a lower level also.
Okay.
So yeah,
I guess,
that
sir,
helps
you really well
beat the
explained
gambling
that
part of it.
the people who think that stock market is a gambling, they should listen to you.
उससे बहुत बड़ा वो है।
Yes, sir.
मैं खुद एट द एंड में एक टाइम पे मैं भी बहुत मेजर लॉस खा के बैठा हुआ था।
Yes, sir.
और सब यही था कि न्यूज़ गैम्बलिंग बढ़ेगा, ऐसा वैसा वैसा
Stereotype
तो but
पूरा घूम
फिर
रहा था.
बस और कोई काम नहीं आता ना, ये हम CNBC आवाज को देख रहे हैं और उसके बेसिस पे न्यू ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं और कोई फायदा नहीं
Yes,
एट द
sir.
एंड में डेफिनेटली। बस फिर सीखा, फिर लगा कि नहीं, आपकी स्टडी ही आपको पैसा कमाना सिखा सकती है, दूसरे के बोलने से आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
Exactly, sir. I agree with you on that.
तो यस इस बात में भी थैंक यू, उन्होंने इतना अच्छा सिखाया कि अभी भी नॉट, मैं ये भी बोलना चाहूँगा कि इतना अच्छा लाइफ में प्रोग्रेस नहीं हुआ, बट यस कोई भी चीज़ें जो सक्सेस होती है वो एक दिन में नहीं मिलता है, इट नीड्स पेशेंस।
Yes.
तो आई एम डूइंग ओके, नॉट टू गुड, बट आई एम हैप्पी
But when I didn't have the technical knowledge, I was like, whatever is happening, that the big players, they are playing it, or whatever is happening because of so they might be doing this, or is the government they are playing, the FIS they are playing, whatever is happening is this. But now after this, I learned how it has go, and the charts, they help me in learning the market, in understanding the market, and the time to enter into it and
Exit.
to exit out of a trade.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is very important, and whether you should enter into it and when to enter, the stock to choose. So this helped me in that manner, and yes, I think that now I can say that it is not gambling. You have, if you have knowledge, if you know, if you can read the charts, if you can read the analysis behind that,
Yes, sir.
the technical analysis is there, then you can.
rate this technical analysis
you can
course
scale it
out of 10.
I'll give 9.5.
Okay, sir. And why?
0.5 less.
Yes, sir.
Because that is not that is not a proper classroom teaching. It is like you are there in some other city, I'm in another
Yes,
city.
yes,
So
sir.
that's why I'm
So
risking
0.5 for
because
that online classes.
0.5 is because you are not in front of me
Cool, sir.
physically.
Cool, sir.
Physically you're not in front of me. And you always have a different thing when your teacher is there in front of you.
Yes, sir. You can
He's
ask
sitting
whatever
next-
you like. Right, sir.
No,
Understand.
even I ask in the classes also, whenever I ask anything, he always solved my query and he always satisfy me.
Okay,
But
sir.
it's like having date with the girlfriend online and having date with the girlfriend physically with
Cool.
in front of her.
Understanding it, sir.
Understand the emotions,
Yes,
both
yes,
the different emotions. So I'm deducting 0.5 because whenever I'm having discussion with Navodit sir, he is not in front of me physically.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
yeah.
any specific thing about the stock money classes or Navodis which you like the most, and anything which you needs to be improved in this station?
Yeah, improvement is all good. He is taking care of it. The one thing I like about it is like, yeah, even during the class, I don't speak up much. So Navodit sir would push me. He will specially ask for me if I have any doubts, or he will ask me questions about it. So
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
it makes much more interactive and fun session to be with him. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good.
So,
One
sir-
good thing about him. Even if, yeah, tell.
So, sir, would you like to refer our course, like technical analysis course, to others too?
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely a very good course, and whosoever takes it would be a blessing for them as well, because it's very well explained and in a very concise manner. Like in 15-20 days, you will get to know the basics, and then you will go to the advanced courses as well. So it makes you within a month or so, it gives you a very complete in and out details of the entire stock market.
Yes, sir. And sir, how do you rate our technical analysis course out of 10?
Perfect 10.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, he's so good, humble, responsive, especially responsive. Yes, I have seen many teachers who, like, when they become teacher, when they have what to say, some kind of fame,
Yes.
they are like, they doesn't give you too much responsive. They will only give you when response only when they are in work. But no, in case of Navodit sir, he was not like that. He give us time to what to say. Even I have texted him in what to say at night 10 p.m.
Yes, sir.
And sometimes, so yeah, he used to reply me, and yes, I don't think so anything has to be improved.
Yes, sir.
I'm happy with it. I'm
Okay.
happy with it. And
Okay, sir.
especially what to say यार, अब भैया स्पेशल तो अब सब चीज अच्छा लग रहा है. स्पेशली मुझे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है कि यस, हम्बल, अपनों की तरह उन्होंने हमको ट्रीट किया. तो
Yes, sir.
ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
As a
अपनों
friend,
की तरह
as a
उन्होंने हमें
family
treat
member.
किया. As a friend, as a family member. Yes.
Yes. After attending his classes,
Yes, sir.
I realized that yes, there is something in this technical analysis which is far significant than the gambling thing.
Okay, sir.
Yes, gambling it's not gambling, definitely not gambling. So I had to change my view. All along I was, of course, thinking it was gambling, and someone else was controlling the things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
To my everyone, to my every friend.
Thank you so much.
Every
Sir. Thank you
friend.
so much.
Yes.
And sir,
I
how
can
would you like to
definitely
rate
say.
for... Yes, please carry on, sir.
I would definitely say when they will join Navodit sir, they will definitely learn something and very good from him.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, sir, how would you rate our this technical analysis course out of 10?
10. Direct.
Thank you, sir.
But
As far as Navodit sir is concerned, I don't think he need any kind of
Yes, sir.
improvement into him. So as a coach, as a guru, as a support member, he is always there. So I don't think he need to improve anything.
Yes, sir.
And what he has told me, what he has taught me, so I'm able to read the market because of him.
Yes.
And even after him, I talked to many other friends who are there into the market, many other persons who are doing into it. Now
Yes.
feel that yes, what they are doing and what I'm doing is altogether different. I was doing the way they are doing, and now I can understand. I can even give them opinion. And many times they came that yeah, whatever you said was true. How did you came to know? It's like it's all because of my Guruji. So he had taught, and my friends now they are coming to me. Yeah, please advise. So what stock we should choose and when to enter, when to exit, and I give them the advices also. So I don't think there is any need of improvement in the Navodit sir's classes. Is he बहुत अच्छे से बहुत आराम से क्लासेस लेते हैं.
Yes, sir.
और एक दो बार क्या था कि हमारी जो क्लासेस थी
Yes, sir.
उसमें मेरे अलावा 2-3 जनों ने और ज्वाइन कर रखा था. तो मैंने देखा था कि भाई मुझे तो बहुत जल्दी समझ में आ गया, लेकिन उन्हें उनके लिए वो 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं और ही इज नॉट मूविंग until unless they did get the what he has taught. So that's very important that you are going with each and every student. So
That's
was the
really
thing which I
important.
learned.
Yes, sir. I agree with it.